all the formulae for unit conversions. The word formulae is the plural form of formula. Formulas is also being used, but the word formulae is the right word to show relation between different units. Here we are going to see about relation between different units in length, mass and capacity. So we use the plural form formulae. Okay, and this video is about unit conversions from larger unit to smaller unit. First one is about unit conversions in length. Its standard unit or basic unit is the meter. Okay, so the tabular column is filled with the units kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. How to write formulae for unit conversions? Let us see. 1 kilometer is equal to, we have to write 1 kilometer in terms of hectometer, kilometer in terms of decameter, kilometer in terms of meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter individually. Come, let us see how to express kilometer in terms of all other smaller units. Okay, 1 kilometer is equal to how many hectometer? It is given as 10 hectometer. How? Let us see. Write 1 below kilometer. Okay, then to convert kilometer into hectometer, decimeter, decameter and all, put zeros in all the placement boxes. Okay, so now you have 1 just below kilometer and 0 in all other boxes. Then 1 kilometer is equal to how many hectometer? Listen carefully, it is very easy to learn this thing. Consider kilometer and hectometer boxes only. Stop here. Okay, you have only 1 and 0. See, 1 and 0. You should not move forward. Okay, you should stop here itself because we are going to express kilometer in hectometer only. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1 and 0 gives you 10. So 10 hectometer. Is it easy? No, it's very easy. And what about 1 kilometer is equal to dash decameter? Start from kilometer, stop with decameter. What are the values? 1, 0 and 0. That's all. Stop here itself. So 100 decameter. Then relation between kilometer and meter is 1 kilometer is equal to, start moving, 1000 meter, which means 1000 meter. Then 1 kilometer is equal to how many decimeter? For this we have to start from K and stop with the decimeter box. So 1 0 0 0 0 decimeter. Similarly for centimeter, start from kilometer and end with centimeter box. 1 kilometer is equal to 100,000 1 lakh centimeter. Stop here. 1 kilometer is equal to how many millimeter? Start from kilometer and end with millimeter. Write all the digits. 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. So 10 lakh millimeter. So this is the very easiest way to write formula for unit conversions. If you don't know the correct formula also, just to put the placement boxes, write them in order. We know very well how to write the units in correct order. Okay, so write them in order, then put 1 in appropriate box, then put zeros in all other boxes, then do this thing. Okay, as per your requirement. Now what about 1 hectometer? 1 hectometer is equal to how many decameters? 1 hectometer is equal to how many meters? 1 decameter is equal to how many decimeters? Let us see. Consider the second row only. You should not see all the rows at a time. We need 1 hectometer value only. So just look at this number 1, just which lies below HM. So 1 hectometer is equal to 1 and 0 which is equal to 10 decameter. See, 10 decameter. What about hectare? 1 hectometer and meter. 100 meter, which means 100 meter. 1 hectometer is equal to 1000 decimeter, and then 10000 centimeter. 1 hectometer is equal to 10000 millimeter. This way we have done 1 decameter in terms of meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter, and 1 millimeter in terms of decimeter, centimeter and millimeter, 1 decimeter in terms of centimeter and millimeter. Come, let us see randomly. 1 decimeter is equal to 1 and 0 centimeter, which is 10 centimeters. 1 decimeter is equal to 100 millimeters, which means 1 decimeter is 100 millimeters. See, what about 1 centimeter? We are converting from larger to smaller units. So the only smaller unit is millimeter. Okay, all other units are larger than centimeter. So here we have only one opportunity. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 and 0, which is 10 millimeter. Okay, similarly we can just replace meter by liter and meter by gram, m by g or m by l. You will get all the conversions from kiloliter in terms of all other units, hectoliter in terms of all other units. See, kiloliter is expressed in terms of all other units, hectoliter is expressed in terms of all other units. Let us see what about 1 liter. 1 liter in terms of its smaller units is 1 liter is equal to 1 and 0 deciliter, which means 10 deciliter. 1 liter is equal to 100 centiliter, 100 centiliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, 1000 milliliter. What about 1 centiliter? 1 centiliter is equal to 1 and 0 milliliter. See, now you can go through all these conversions as I said earlier in the previous slide. You can try yourself. See, the table column is same. 1 kg is expressed in terms of all other smaller units. 1 Hg is expressed in terms of all other smaller units. What about 1 decagram? Come, let us see the example for decagram. 1 decagram is equal to 1 and 0 gram, so 10 grams. 1 decagram is equal to 100 decigrams. 1 decagram is equal to 1000 centigrams. 1 decagram is equal to 10000 milligrams, which means 10,000 milligrams. Okay, so in this way you can write all these things very easily. Okay, I hope you understand. It will make your work easier. Thank you for watching.